Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This vehicle today has kind of a unique exterior color. It's listed as tan. It's got kind of a kind of silver grayish tan to it. Very unique. We don't see this color very often here on the lot. Inside we do have a beige interior. Some black accents as well, some silver accents you can see here on the side doors. We do have heated memory seats, both driver and passenger. Driver seat with lumbar support, sunroof, steering wheel. Hopping inside the vehicle, we've got 19,731 for current mileage. Do have a push button ignition. And here we have our display loading up. While that's loading up, show you the climate controls here. Also buttons here for navigating some of the different functions on the display, such as radio here. Also have our backup camera. And you can navigate using your steering wheel controls. And you've also got a command module here for making adjustments on the display. You've got a cigarette lighter, ashtray, and cup holder. You can adjust your different sport modes here. This will affect traction, power steering, transmission, that sort of thing. And we have our shifter. Hop out and show you a few more things on the vehicle. Rear seats. Another quick peek up front. And coming around to the back, we've got our C300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Now if you're interested in additional information about this 2019 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC or any other vehicles on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.